Hey Foodie, Chef Pete is here today, and guess what? I've got a rolled out pizza dough in this pan, this oblong pan today, and what we're going to do is build a pizza, right? So the first thing I like to do in every pizza, and you guys do it your way, but I'm doing it my way, is I'm going to put some extra virgin, EVOO, extra virgin olive oil on the bottom of this pizza, on this crust. So this way we get beautiful tasting from the bottom up, and I'm just brushing it around on everything here.
What's all that stuff in the dough?
And today I made a rosemary infused dough with fresh rosemary, and that's what we're having here, a fresh rosemary dough, okay? So foodies, you can make the dough plain, you can make dough, it's really easy. You might want to Google the recipe for dough. Flour, yeast, water, very simple. Dough is a very simple thing. Okay, so there we go. Now I've got our base done on the pizza. Okay, now what I have here is I've made some San Marzano tomatoes that I chopped up, and I've made with olive oil and garlic and some oregano and a little bit of salt, and I've made a beautiful red sauce to put on the bottom here. So what we're going to do is we are going to go with the sauce next that I made here. See how beautiful this is? Look at this beautiful San Marzano red, and right on our pizza we're going to go. Right on, and I chopped, you can see how they're chopped up here. And I put a little basil leaves inside here, so we have some basil, little basil, and then a little oregano and basil, dried basil too I have. So you can just, I'm using the ladle because I'm ladling it out. You can use a spoon for this, you can use your hand for this, whatever you like, okay? All right, so there we go. There we go, we almost got it. And we like a little more sauce than a little less sauce, but you put as much or as little as you like on your pizzas. Everybody has to do what you like, okay? All right, so there we go. We've got our pizza. Now while I spun around here, what I'm going to do before I continue is turn on our oven to get all heated up, our little Breville oven set on pizza and 450 I have today. Okay, so let's get some cheese on here. Next up, we got sauce, now we gotta get some glue here. Okay, so let's get some cheese. A little mozzarella cheese. This is part skim mozzarella. You can use full fat, you can use whatever you like. Part skim, full fat.
So you're building pizza.
So I'm building it today, yes Anthony. So I'm gonna get all of this on here. All of this mozzarella, and some here and some over there, and we'll just move it around. Use your fingers, that's what God gave us fingers for. Okay, so now we've got our sauce on and we've got our cheese, which is the glue, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to take, today I've got 4 different things actually. What I did is I chopped some beautiful green Italian olives and some beautiful Kalamata olives from Greece. So we got Italian and Greek olives here. And then here I've got some mushrooms, okay, some sliced up mushrooms. And then over here I've got some of this, and these are called artichoke hearts, which I've cut up. And you can see the artichoke here, how nice it is. These are artichoke hearts. Okay, so let's get some things on the pizza, okay? I'm not gonna put any meat today. We're gonna go with somewhat of a vegetarian pizza. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start with our mushrooms. Let's just move them out all around. All around they go, like this. And a few more on here and there. Just kind of try to get them everywhere they need to be. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna go with our artichoke hearts on here. Artichoke hearts are always delicious. For those of you that don't like artichokes, don't put them. Put something else. Put sun-dried tomatoes. You could put that if you like. Okay, put pepperoni if you like. Pepperoni pizza is the #2 pizza in the United States. So if you like pepperoni, put pepperoni. If you like turkey, put turkey. Put meat. Today I'm making this one, and this one is going to be vegetarian. Okay, now here I have our beautiful olives. I'm gonna give them a quick mix up here with my fingers, and then I'm just gonna go right across it, just like this, right on there, right on there. And there's no, I didn't put any, I could have put some peppers here, some peppers of fire roasted, or you can just leave it the way it is. I've got red color, green color, everything all here. Okay, so here's my hands. And the last thing we're going to do, which is traditional to pizza, is to dust the top with some oregano, okay? And some people put a little extra virgin oil on the top when the pizza comes out. You can do whatever you like. You just dust the top like this with some oregano, just right on the top. Now, if you wanted to put, like I said, some sun-dried tomatoes or some beautiful roasted peppers, you could do that. If not, this is perfectly fine. It makes a nice meal with a salad, and there you have it. So there we go. Today, Chef Pete's built rosemary dough pizza ready to go in the oven, and we'll show you when we come back how this looks when we cut it at the table. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Give it a break. Make yourself a pizza today at home. It's real easy. Pete out.